All right, guys, so today we're going to be talking about eight things that can actually drive the silver prices, whether it be silver prices going up or whether it be the silver prices going down. And at the current time, silver prices are going up. And let's start now. Thank you so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. My name is Eli. This is a community over 8,000 strong. If you guys would like to help support that community, you guys can help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Follow me on my social media platform, Urban Lifestyle 1989. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. Let's get into it, right? So, question of the day. What do you guys believe drives the silver prices, whether it be up or down? Comment down below, let me know. And speaking of that, here are what some people in the community have to say about this topic. But let's get into it, all right? So one of the things that I do believe that drives the price of silver, whether it be going up or whether it's going down, is supply and demand. That's number one, supply and demand, all right? And it's a no-brainer. If you have supply and there's a demand for it, that can actually cause the prices to go up. Because the more people, let's just say 7 billion people in the world, they all want to start stacking silver. A lot of people are going to go in and start buying silver to these online bullion dealers, to these coin shops, and they're going to start buying silver. Now the whole world is going to see that and be like, you know what? We need to jack up the prices of silver. And the same thing goes if the demand is real low. If half of the people that starts buying silver right now and they're like, you know what? I'm not buying silver no more, then the prices more than likely should go down. All right, so let's go into number two. And number two is technology. Yes, technology drives the prices of silver, whether it be good or whether it be bad. A lot of stuff, whether it be photography, film, iPhone, computers, cars, solar panels. There's a lot of people, a lot of technology that actually use up silver. And that factor alone can drive the price of silver. If the price of silver goes up, all those products that I mentioned before would have to accommodate for the price of silver, all right? So let's go into number three. Economics trends, whether it be nationally or globally. Now, when the economy is doing good, everything's looking good for the economy. A lot of people like to do what? They like to buy jewelry with it, whether it be rings, bracelet, chains, all that. But when the economy is down, what happens? That's the first thing to go. When it comes to making the decision whether I should buy jewelry or paying my rent, and I can't do both, I'm sorry, jewelry, you're gonna have to get out of here. I don't want to see you go, but you have to stay. Okay, so yes, economic trends can drive the price of silver. Now let's go into number four, inflation. This one needs no introduction. A lot of people know what inflation is. If you don't know, let me just give you a quick refresher. So pretty much inflation is the purchasing power that your dollar has today is not going to be the same as tomorrow. So if you take that purchasing power today and you times that times years over years, your purchasing power of that dollar goes low and low and low. And that's pretty much inflation. The dollar that you have today is not going to be the same dollar that you have 10 years from now. Because what you can buy for that dollar today may cost you $10 to buy 10 years from now. Breather. Now, a lot of investors know, and you can actually track this with the price of silver throughout its history. You can see that silver has been going up, has been keeping up with inflation. Yeah, you have times where silver goes up to $40, but when it comes back down, when it levels back down, you can see it either performs right at inflation or just a little bit below inflation. But at the same time, I'd rather hold silver than actually holding fiat currency, because there's no chance of you winning with fiat currency. Based on fiat currency track record, of course. Now, the fifth factor that actually drives the prices of silver to go up or down can be the strength of the dollar. When we have a strong dollar, and I've seen this within the past 2 years that I've been doing this thing. When the strength of the dollar is strong, we see silver take a hit. But once it starts getting weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker, we see silver get strong. And we can see that throughout the whole entire globe, all right? Other countries, they understand that the fiat currency is backed by one thing and one thing only, and that is the confidence that people have in it. And they want a safe haven just in case that confidence is not so cocky anymore. You know, maybe just in case that confidence, like, you know what, I'm starting not to trust that dollar no more. And I believe that everybody should feel that way about fiat currency, but it's just my opinion. But the other countries, they feel the same way. And they're like, hey, we need something to protect us from this fiat currency just in case the confidence is not there anymore. And that itself has the power to drive the prices of silver, all right? Next thing is gold prices. We all know, wherever gold goes, silver will follow. gold goes. Gold goes. It's kind of a tongue twister right there. Try saying that 10 times fast. All right. So number seven, interest rates. Now this one I actually seen close up and personal. I've seen back last year when they raised up the interest rates a little bit, silver prices reacted. When they decided, hey, you know what, we're gonna just cut down just a little bit more. What happened? Silver prices reacted as well. All right, good or bad. So interest rates do have a driving factor when it comes down to the silver prices. Now, last but not least, number 8, government policies. Government policies. Best example is in the beginning of the year of 2019, what happened? What took place that the government did? Well, the government didn't do nothing because around that time, the government was shut down. All right, but that itself caused the price of silver to do a little bit of a jump. And as soon as everything came back up and everything was back up and running, it went back down. Or not even that. We talk about the trade wars. We see that silver prices reacted when Trump said something about the trade wars. And we seen the price go up or down, whether about the government policies, all right? So all these stuff from number 1, supply and demand. Number 2, technology. Number 3, economic trends. Number 4, inflation. Number 5, the strength of the dollar. And number 6, gold prices. Number 7, interest rates. And number 8, government policies. But that's all I have. Of course, there's more. And I want to know what you guys think, all right? So comment down below. Let me know some of the stuff that you believe can actually cause the prices of silver to go up, whether it be good or bad. And right now, we're seeing the price of silver going up. I mean, $15.60. All right, last time I checked, and that was today, all right? Right now, all right, at the time of this recording, that's what the current price is. And we're talking about, what, 4 weeks ago, it was like around 14 something. Yeah, it's just a couple of changes, but yeah, it is going up. And are some of these a factor of it going up? Maybe it could be the economic trends, or maybe it could be interest rates. The government did say, hey, you know what? We're not gonna boost up the interest rates level no more. We're gonna keep it down. Even though that's kind of crazy. They can't lift up the interest rate level because, who knows? I don't believe this is the type of video for me to say that, but I'm just gonna leave that thought to myself. All right, but that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I want to know what you guys think. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, and have a beautiful day. But don't forget to never forget to always work and grind. Everything